Rog?
Good, thanks, Jude. How are you?
Very well. This is Roger Size. Roger Size is from Lewis Agri Construction, and just want to say g'day and tell us a bit about what we do and how we sort of come about.
I was actually on the net and I saw this work box, and I thought, wow, that's going to suit our customers perfect. Throw one of these into this machine that we sell. Everyone's going to be happy, and this box will prove to be very useful to service and maintain our machinery. We sell Lugon construction equipment, and we also sell DeWolf potato and vegetable harvesting and planting equipment. This box is phenomenal. Have a look how well it's built, and I can't see anyone be able to wreck this thing.
So how long have you been going for, Rog?
Well, with the Lugon machinery we've been selling since 2007. It's not fly by night. It's a well-respected global brand, and it's really becoming accepted in Australia for its robustness and simplicity. You won't get better bang for buck out of those machines. DeWolf machinery we've been doing for about 4 years now, and that's really just starting to kick some goals now, and we're very happy with the product.
Well, we're stoked to be associated with you, mate.
Thank you
very much. Brody, how you going, mate?
Stu, how are you, mate? Good to see you.
Excellent. So you're in a new box.
Absolute ripper.
Tell us a bit about yourself, mate. What do you do here?
Yeah, so I'm Brody. I'm the operations and parts manager for Lewis Agri Construction. So I deal with customers on a day-to-day basis for all their service and repair requirements, and also deal with all the parts and everything as well. So,
and how do the machines go?
Absolutely fantastic. We deal with two major brands. So we do the carrot and potato harvester side of things, which is a brand called DeWolf. They come out of Belgium, and we do Lugon wheel loaders, excavators, graders.
Construction industry, agricultural industry.
Yeah, all tied into one. So it's great. Play with the big boys for us.
Magic.
That's good fun.
Thanks for having me chat.
Too easy, thank you.
Cheers.